Hi, my name is Danica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the height of your weaning table and weaning chair. This set is designed so that both the table and the chair can grow as your child does with the 3 different height settings for each. Let's start by adjusting the table. The height of the weaning table is adjusted by detaching and installing new legs. It can have 12-inch, 15-inch, or 18-inch legs. To change out the legs for a different height, first flip the table upside down. We recommend doing this on a carpeted surface to avoid damaging the tabletop. To remove a leg, first unlock the bracket by pushing the locking mechanism to its left. Once unlocked, the bracket can be removed from the table with some wiggling. Remove the leg by pushing it toward the center of the table. If the bracket is difficult to unlock, you can try pulling the leg outward while unlocking it. If that's still unsuccessful, you may use a rubber mallet to lightly tap the bracket out of place. Once you've removed all the legs, choose which new legs you will install. You will reuse the same set of brackets. Before attaching a table leg for the first time, you'll want to prime it to the bracket by inserting and removing it a few times. This helps to crush the wood in the joint and makes assembly easier. When attaching a leg, make sure that the slanted part of the hole in the leg is facing outward. Insert the leg into the wide portion of the slots and slide it back toward the outside edge. To lock the leg into place, use the bracket. Orient it so that the long straight edge is facing up and the narrower tab is pointed toward the table. Insert the tab into the hole in the leg, then push the bracket down until the locking tab goes into its slot. Lock the bracket into place by sliding it to its right. If you have trouble fitting it into the slot, try again to pull back on the leg as you insert it. If the joint is tight, you can use a rubber mallet again to lightly tap it into place. Repeat this for the rest of the legs. Finally, flip the table right side up and you're done. Now let's adjust the weaning chair. The weaning chair requires no additional parts to adjust. You simply have to remove the sitting platform and move it to a different height setting. To remove the seat, start by laying the chair on its back with the top facing you. Stand or kneel on the back of the chair, then pull the seat upward to unlock it. Once unlocked, spread the sides apart and remove it from the slots. Another option is to use a strong, slim item that won't damage the wood, such as a wooden spoon, to gently pry the seat out. Once it's unlocked, spread the sides apart slightly and remove the sitting platform. Reinstall the seat at your preferred level by spreading the sides apart slightly and fitting the tabs of the seat into the new slots. Push the sides of the chair toward each other so that the platform is flush on both sides. Then push down on the seat to lock it into place. The front edge of the seat should be flush with the sides of the chair. If it isn't, try to push down the seat again until it is flush. And that is how you adjust the weaning table and chair.